Thank you for joining me for another episode of Sam's Tech Stuff. Today we're going to take a look at unboxing the Noctua NF A12, the new Sterox fan that they make. This has been the fan that Noctua has been touting as having extremely good airflow while holding pretty high static pressure. You can see here in the included graphs how the NF A12 stacks up against the other fans. The NF A12 is pretty much one of the best fans they make. It's an all-around win. The static pressure, like I said, is pretty high, even at the higher given airflows. And it's been at a maximum RPM of 2,000 and will put out right around about 60 to 61 CFM, or 60 cubic feet of air per minute. Included with the fan, you'll be getting a 30 centimeter extension cable, one of the 4 Y-pin cables, their low noise adapter cable, 4 of their anti-vibration mounts, which definitely come in handy, the fan screws, and the anti-vibration gasket if you're going to put this on a radiator. And let's take a look at what's inside here. So here's the actual Noctua fan. Here are the included adapters. As always, all of the Noctua stuff is some of the highest quality there is. You can tell the corners here, the anti-vibration pads will definitely keep the fan from rattling in the case. Here's the fan and the actual included accessories. You've got the Y cable, the low noise adapter, which will make the fan spin a little bit slower to reduce the noise. Got the water cooling gasket here to help the fan stay a little more sealed to the radiator. The included screws, which are pretty basic, and the extension cable. We'll take a look at the fan real quick. Standard 4-pin PWM connector. High quality blades. I definitely don't think these are going to snap, although I would not advise putting anything in the blades. This fan runs at 2,000 RPM. Does take about 1.68 watts. It's not a ton, but it does add up if you're going to use a ton of these. I bought this because I'm a huge fan of Noctua. They make the best quality parts as far as I'm concerned for air cooling and case fans around. I'll probably be using this in one of the quieter streaming and HTPC build. I'll be taking a look at the cooling capability and the noise. I don't have one of these in a system yet, but on paper at least, this looks like one of the best fans I've probably ever bought. This fan I got from Amazon at $29.99, and if there's any interest in more in-depth fan or just cooling information in general, let me know in the comments or let us know on Facebook. We don't do a whole lot of unboxings. This is actually our first one. If you liked it or wanted to see anything in particular, definitely let us know in the comments. If you're new here, consider getting subscribed to the channel. We put out PC building videos, mining videos, and server-related videos. You can follow us on Twitter at Sam's Tech Stuff, or check out our Facebook page, facebook.com/Sam's Tech Stuff, or check out our new website, samstechstuff.com.